The bakers are wondering why I'm missing. You don't need a bakery to have bread like that. In a blender, add 3 eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine with salt, 10 grams of organic yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 250 ml of warm milk, now remove and move into a container. Gradually add 700 grams of wet flour and stir until a very consistent dough. When you get to that point, move to the bench to start to snare. That's the ideal point, without sticking to your fingers. Put some flour in the container. Put the dough in it. Cover with plastic and leave resting for 1 hour. After that time, we're going to figure out the mess and get all the air out of it. Removing the air, let's remove the dough and cut the dough into pieces. Here I'm cutting into pieces of 65 grams and cutting just to put the piece on the countertop to start opening. With the help of a roll, let's leave this dough very thin. And after opening, just roll the dough, the way I'm doing the video. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Now just cover and leave resting again for another 30 minutes. Look how the dough has grown. Now use a yolk with a little water to brush the dough. Bake at 200 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Look how amazing this bread is. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.